Hey y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, today I'll be making chicken noodle soup. Okay, so first I started off boiling my chicken drumsticks, and then I'm just going to be taking the meat off the bone. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to add some potatoes. I'm just going to be cutting them up into small pieces. Comment down below and let me know what you put in your chicken noodle soup. Some people add celery, but I don't like celery in mine. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe. Okay, so before I cut the potatoes up, I went ahead and cut up my vegetables. Okay, so now I'm just going to add butter into the pot, and then I'm going to be adding the vegetables in. Okay, so now I'm just going to be seasoning them, and then I'm going to add water into the pot. Now I'm just adding the potatoes into the pot. Okay, so being that I use water, I'm just going to be adding some chicken flavor into the pot. Now it's time to add the chicken in. It smells so good in here. Wow, don't this look so good, y'all? Okay, so now I'm just adding the noodles in. So I just let the noodles cook for a while, and then I'm going to show you how it looks.